Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Saved Roses. In today's video, we will be discussing about the help desk report in Odoo 18. In Odoo, a help desk report provides a valuable insight into your support operations. So you can just navigate into the help desk module. From there, we can find the reporting menu over here. So this shows the ticket analysis, SLA status analysis, customer rating, and everything. So let's move on to the ticket analysis. Odoo offers a various default analysis, and you also can create custom ones like the ticket analysis. This provides a general overview on ticket volume, status, and assignments. And in the customer satisfaction, we can also get, if you use a customer satisfaction survey, this report lets you to get the analysis feedback. And here you can find the count of the team customer care that is cancelled, and this also shows the report or the analysis of the VIP support. So, if you want to get any other analysis, you can also just go to the measures, and here you have the other measures like average hours to response, hours to open, hours to first response, rating, work hours to assign, work hours to close, and working hours until SLA deadline. And you can see the switch between the analysis over here. Here we have different representations or the view such as a graph, pivot, and the cohort. So if you just want to different views here, you can just get different measure. When you just use different measures, that will be shown over here. Now let's move on to the task analysis. Into the graph view. And in the graph view, here we have different representations like the bar chart that to compare the ticket volume across the team stage or the time period. And we have the line chart that to track the ticket trends over the time. And here we have the pie chart to show the distributions of the ticket by the status of the priority. Now, in the pivot table, this allows you to drill down into the data and analyze it from different perspective. Like you can add rows and columns, measures to create the views, and that's how we just deal with the ticket analysis. Now, as you just move on to the SLA status analysis, it has different representations or the views such as the pivot view, the graph view, and the cohort view itself. So this would allow you to know the help desk teams as well as the SLA failed, SLAs in progress, SLAs in success, and everything. Now, finally, you can also just get the customer rating over here. So under the customer satisfaction, you can easily monitor the customer satisfaction ratings and feedbacks, identify the area of improvement, and this would allow you to evaluate the performances of individual team and team members. And this also identify the top performance areas where additional training may be needed. So you can just switch between different views such as Kanban, list, then we have the pivot view as well as the graph view. So this also shows the ticket priority, like this shows the ticket distributions and other ticket priorities and everything. So likewise, you can also just go to the filters in order to customize the report you in order to meet the specific needs, like adding the filters like you can just filter the data by team, customers, status, priority, and other criteria. So you can see everything over here. So if you want to just get based on particular help desk scheme, you can just move on to that, and by choosing my rating, you can easily customize this. By adding a different filter also, you can just customize your reporting over here. So by using the information from the help desk team, you can improve your support process, increase customer satisfaction, and optimize the team performance, as well as you can identify and resolve common issues which make the data-driven decisions. So by regularly analyzing your help desk report, you can gain valuable insight into your support operations and make data-driven decisions to improve your customer service. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.